How much space is required to integrate leak detection into my line? When considering a leak detection system, you may be concerned with system integration and fitting within your existing manufacturing footprint. Look for solutions that can be designed to work in unison with your existing production line. Leak detectors that can sit over the top of an existing conveyor or that can flush mount to a short conveyor section to transfer bottles on and off the detector can be ideal. Look for the ability to integrate additional inspections such as height, top load, and vision inspection without sacrificing valuable floor space. And having optional sensors upstream and downstream of the line ensures the detector reacts properly to what is happening on the line for maximum efficiency. The bottom line is that no matter your concern, work with a manufacturer that will work with your individual needs for guaranteed production success.